Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Learn how to make the best blondies. Buttery, soft and really easy to make. You don't need a mixer. With the addition of raspberries, a sweet and tangy summer staple. These are the ingredients you would need. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Into a saucepan on medium heat, add in the butter, followed by half of the sugar and half of the chopped white chocolate, reserving the balance for use later. Stir constantly for about 5 minutes. Don't be alarmed about it splitting. It all comes together at the end. The caramel is ready when it is light fudge in color. As it does get darker, remove from the heat and leave to cool for use later. Into a large mixing bowl, add in the balance of the sugar followed by 2 eggs. Mix until you no longer have any large lumps of eggs or sugar. Then add in the slightly cooled down split caramel. And then mix relatively well, keeping some of the chunky bits. That adds the delicious chewy texture to the blondie. When ready, add in the plain flour followed by the baking powder and mix until you no longer have any lumps of flour. A quick scrape down the sides of the bowl to get any unmixed bits. And then fold in the balance of the chopped white chocolate. Scrape out into a prepared baking tray. Flatten. And then dot with either fresh or frozen raspberries. When ready, bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes or until an inserted skewer comes out relatively clean. Avoid over baking as your blondie may end up having a cakey texture. When baked, leave to cool to room temperature, then place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This helps you to get that perfectly clean slice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you next week.